May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? Yes, please come in. Yes, please come in. That's very good. You are welcome. Thank you, sir. What's your name? Sir, my name is Rani Singh. What's your educational qualification? Sir, I passed M.A. last year. Where are you residing in Delhi? I am residing in a rented house here. What's more you do in Delhi? Sir, I am preparing for M.B.A. What's your father? Sir, my father is a senior manager in a nationalized bank. What are your hobbies? Sir, my hobbies are gardening and reading novels. What's your aim in life? I want to become a chief executive of a reputed company. Why do you want to learn speaking English? Sir, I can speak English, but I want to speak English fluently. That's fine. I am sure if you work hard, your English will be improved within 3 months and you will be able to speak quite fluently. Thank you, sir. You are welcome.